there, my name is Zack Kouns, and I'm standing in an overgrown Appalachian meadow on a blisteringly warm late summer morning to harvest one of the dreaded invasive plants of eastern North America, Elaeongus umbellata, or autumn olive. Autumn olive is an invasive shrub. It can reach about 12 to 15 feet in height, and it was introduced from Asia and originally planted on roadsides and along bridge abutments because it does a superior job at managing erosion. Its leaves are ovate and they have smooth edges and silvery undersides, and they're arranged alternately. The berries are deep red and they're speckled with silver dots. The red color of the berries betrays their high concentration of lycopene, which is a carotenoid hydrocarbon. Lycopene has been studied extensively for its anti-cancerous properties and its role in treating cardiovascular diseases and even diabetes.
So I've gathered all these autumn olive berries together to create a wild yeast starter that I can pitch into my brews to more or less ensure their success and oftentimes speed up the process of brewing. So it's not hard to get yeast to inhabit anything that you're making. The particular type of yeast that we want to inhabit this are called Saccharomyces. So saccaro in Latin means sweet, myces means fungus or mushroom. So a fungus that feeds off of sweet things. Berries are really an excellent way to get a good starter. So there you have it, a simple recipe to make a wild yeast starter to add to different brews that you make, this time using a wild ingredient, autumn olive, that you can find in abundance this time of year, late August to late September. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and if you've learned something, I would just ask for you to not keep it to yourself. To not be a closed circuit, be an open circuit, to pass this information along, to pass it to your coworkers, to your friends, to your partners, to your parents, to your grandparents. This is vital information, and it's in mortal peril of perishing. And the only way that we can ensure that it doesn't perish is to pass it along. So thank you for spending the afternoon with us. Have a wonderful day.